SimpleSwap is a user-friendly platform for exchanging cryptocurrencies without the need for registration. Here's how to use it. Access SimpleSwap. Go to simpleswap.io on your browser. Choose cryptocurrencies. On the homepage, select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange in the send field and the one you want to receive in the receive field. Enter the amount. Input the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to exchange in the send section. The corresponding amount you will receive will automatically update based on the current exchange rate. Provide your wallet address. Enter the wallet address where you want to receive the exchange cryptocurrency in the recipient's wallet field. Double check for accuracy to avoid errors. Start the exchange. Click Exchange to proceed. SimpleSwap will generate a deposit address for you. Make the deposit. Transfer the cryptocurrency you're sending to the provided deposit address. Once received, SimpleSwap will process the exchange. Wait for completion. The exchange cryptocurrency will be sent to your recipient wallet address within a few minutes, depending on blockchain confirmation times.